Greetings everyone, this is Danny from hartravel.com, your Royal Caribbean cruise experts, and today I'm on board the beautiful Explorer of the Seas. Now this particular category is an ocean view balcony. It's the most prevalent here on board and it's a perfect fit for quite a few of our guests. I'll take you through and show you why in just a minute, but keep in mind when you're ready to book this beautiful room or any room or suite with Royal Caribbean, Celebrity or Silversea, make sure you reach out to the experts at Harr Travel. We know the spaces inside and out, we have an amazing relationship with the cruise line, and we know we can help craft the cruise vacation of a lifetime for you, your friends, family, or group at an incredible value and get the Harr Travel signature service every step of the way. Now let's tour the room. Now when you walk in the door to the right-hand side, you're gonna find most of your storage. Now there's quite a bit of hanging storage that goes all the way across here. Those will pop down for more hanging storage. Of course, you can always get more. Now directly across, you're gonna find the bathroom. Now it's a pretty good sized bathroom for an entry-level balcony like this. You're gonna have storage here on the vanity. You've got storage tucked just behind the mirror and a little bit underneath. Toilet tucked just behind, and I'll step into the shower just to show you. I'm a big guy, I'm 6'6". I fit just fine in here. I do love that they have a bowed out shower door instead of a shower curtain. And you'll find the adjustable shower wand here, nook for your own bath amenities, and then you also have hair and body wash that'll replenish throughout your stay. As we head into the room, you're gonna find a floor to ceiling mirror here to get ready, and you have a nice little sofa there that you can sit, watch television, or just relax. Now directly across, you're gonna find your vanity that doubles as a writing desk. You've got storage behind the mirrors, drawers down below for storage. It's also where you're gonna find your hair dryer. You have 2 US plugs and a European plug. Always bring extra European adapters and converters to take advantage of all the plugs in the space. You've got your mini fridge underneath here, a little bit of storage up above, safe, perfect size for a passport or a wallet. Now I mentioned the TV, it's fully interactive. You can see what's going on throughout the ship. In addition to watching television, you can also angle it towards the sofa or towards your bed. Now the bed's together in what they call the Royal King configuration right now. It can separate apart into 2 twins. In that case, the side table would move to the middle. In either way, you've got plenty of storage underneath to tuck your large bags away. You've got reading lamps and directional reading lights up above as well. Now I always bring extra battery backups so that I can go ahead and charge that during the day, put it on my nightstand to charge the devices in the evening. Now let's head out and check out the balcony. Now we're out on your private balcony. You've got 2 chairs right here where you can sit back, relax, have a nice cup of coffee or tea in the morning, maybe read a book during the day, or have a cocktail or glass of wine in the evening. You can take advantage of those ever-changing ocean views. Our guests love having a balcony. It's your own private space. You can sit back, relax, and enjoy what cruising has to offer. Now, if you want to see the other suites on board, if you're looking for that upgraded experience, we have those on our channel along with the full ship tour on our channel. And of course, when you're ready to book, make sure you do it right on hartravel.com or reach out to your Harr Travel advisor. We know we can help craft the cruise vacation of a lifetime for you, your friends, family, or group at an incredible value and get the Harr Travel signature service every step of the way.